Janome and Justhands-on.tv are celebrating Janome's 100th anniversary with the launch of the I Didn't Like to Ask series. Did you know that most modern sewing machines have over 300 stitches? Most of us only use 3 to 4 stitches on our machines. We stick with what we know, and we didn't like to ask because learning a new stitch can seem like hard work. The I Didn't Like to Ask series demonstrates how to use different elements on the Janome sewing machine in a way that will inspire you to try new things, from buttonholes to decorative satin stitches. Valerie and Jayne will be your hosts. Jayne is the Janome technical expert who is brilliant at helping us learn how to get the most from a Janome machine. Valerie is our quilting expert who will ask all the questions that we didn't like to ask. Because learning one more stitch can unlock a whole new world of creativity. Where will your creativity lead you?
Happy sewing!